Review of business analytics and its tools. Abstract. This paper serves to provide an insight into business analytics and its utilization in the technological world. The paper starts with giving a brief introduction, definition, and the components of business analytics. It then proceeds with a quick overview of the types of business analytics. A comparison between business intelligence and business analytics comes next, where a distinction between the two can be understood. The paper concludes by stating different tools that are being used in the field and the eminent companies that are using business analytics for their growth. Keywords: business analytics, descriptive analytics, predictive analytics, prescriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, business intelligence. Introduction. It is regularly stated that we are in the age of the records, but we frequently fail to comprehend how the idea of the information age is changing through the years. The present-day iteration of this new generation revolves around information, each accumulating and studying it in approaches never earlier than feasible. Big records, as it's frequently known, are converting the arena, and people modifications are significant one. The sector without information is like a fish without water. Almost the whole thing has long gone virtual inside the past couple of decades, and things that haven't begun to go virtual are progressing towards the digital age. The COVID-19 pandemic became any other push to this digitization in which we visible a worldwide shift closer to changing to the digital age. Schools and colleges were being carried out online. In 2020, the number of facts created and replicated reached a brand new high. The increase became higher than formerly anticipated due to the improved demand because of the COVID-19 pandemic, as extra humans labored and learned from domestic and used domestic entertainment alternatives greater frequently to the determine one beneath is depictive of how the information has been developing exponentially over the years and the way its miles are projected to develop similarly. Data in zettabytes versus year. Data is not anything greater than an ocean of facts, and the use and analysis of that data should lead to a prosperous international. To get the most out of records and use them for commercial enterprise boom, something known as business analytics comes into play. Information is such a critical tool for businesses due to the fact records themselves are a goal, reality-based. It's this objectivity that can be helpful to companies in figuring out what choices they want to make to generate the most price for them. 3. Enterprise analytics is all about extracting, reading, visualizing, and subsequently giving outputs based totally on the facts extracted. This extraction allows the companies to launch products, set out sure suggestions primarily based upon the visualization and the optimization done. 2. Definition. Business analytics, BA, refers to the capabilities, technology, and practices for non-stop iterative exploration and investigation of beyond business overall performance to gain insights and force enterprise making plans. 4. Commercial enterprise analytics makes a specialty of developing new insights and information of enterprise overall performance based on statistics and methods. It is an information control answer and a subset of enterprise intelligence. It refers to using methodologies that include statistics mining, predictive analytics, and statistical evaluation to investigate and flip statistics into actionable records, become aware of and assume trends and consequences, and eventually, make smarter, facts-driven business choices. Specifically, business analytics refers to 5. Taking in and processing historical business data. Analyzing that data to identify trends, patterns, and root causes. Making data-driven business decisions based on those insights. 3. Components of business analytics. The main components of business analytics include 6. Data aggregation. Before analysis, data must first be collected, organized, and filtered, via voluntary data or transactional records. Data mining. Data mining for business analytics filters through large data sets using databases, statistics, and machine learning to identify trends and establish relationships. Sequence association and identification, the identification of predictable actions that are performed in association with other actions or sequentially. Text mining, explore and organize large unstructured text data sets for qualitative and quantitative analysis. Forecast, analyzes historical data for a given period to make informed and predictive estimates in determining future events or behaviors. Predictive analytics, predictive business analytics uses a variety of statistical methods to create predictive models, which extract information from data sets, identify patterns, and provide a predictive score for a set of organizational outcomes. Optimization. Once trends have been identified and predictions made, companies can use simulation techniques to test the best scenarios. Data visualization, provides visual representations such as tables and graphs for quick and easy data analysis. 4. Types of business analytics. Different types of business analytics include the following. Descriptive analytics. It summarizes a business enterprise's current records to apprehend what has taken place within the beyond or is happening presently. Descriptive analytics is the only form of analytics as it employs data aggregation and mining strategies. It makes records greater on hand to individuals of an enterprise, which includes the investors, shareholders, marketing executives, and sales managers. It can help pick out strengths and weaknesses and additionally offers an outline of purchaser behavior. This helps to form techniques that can be developed in the place of focused marketing. 7. Predictive analytics. This form of analytics is used to forecast the possibility of a destiny event with the assistance of statistical fashions and ML strategies. It builds at the result of descriptive analytics to devise fashions to extrapolate the likelihood of objects. To run predictive evaluation, machine mastering professionals are employed. They can gain a better level of accuracy than by way of commercial enterprise intelligence on my own. One of the most unusual programs is sentiment analysis. Here, existing statistics gathered from social media are used to provide a complete photograph of a person's opinion. This data is analyzed to are expecting their sentiment, tremendous, neutral, or negative. 7. Prescriptive analytics. Going a step past predictive analytics, it offers pointers for the subsequent first-class action to be taken. It suggests all favorable results in step with a specific direction of action and additionally recommends the particular actions needed to supply the most desired result. It specifically is based on things, a robust comments system, and a steady iterative analysis. It learns the relation among movements and their results. One not unusual use of this sort of analytics is to create advice systems. Diagnostic analytics. This form of analytics helps shift cognizance from past overall performance to the cutting-edge occasions and decide which elements are influencing developments. To discover the root cause of activities, strategies such as records discovery, information mining, and drill down are employed. Diagnostic analytics makes use of possibilities and likelihoods to understand why events may occur. Techniques consisting of sensitivity analysis and training algorithms are employed for category and regression. History. The early days of business analytics had been centered on the way to enhance production via efficiency, higher portions, and improved cost effectiveness. The commercial revolution intended the introduction of the latest strategies of manufacturing, growing complicated industries. Within the past 1800s inside the USA, Frederick Winslow Taylor offered a formalized device of business analytics with this device of scientific control. This machine used the growing job to analyze favored strategies of operation to make sure that productiveness changed at its highest among people. This gadget led immediately to Henry Ford's meeting strains, which revolutionized production. 3. Henry Ford measured the time of every aspect in his newly mounted meeting line. However, analytics started to command more interest within the 1960s when computer systems were utilized in choice support systems. In view that then, analytics have modified and fashioned with the development of organization resource-making plans, ERP, structures, data warehouses, and a large wide variety of different software equipment and approaches. 8. 6.dip/w Business Intelligence and Business Analytics. The terms business intelligence and business analytics are used interchangeably, but that should not be the case as certain things signify how both of them are different. Refer the table 1 below for the differences between the two. Business intelligence. Business analytics. BI is more about using data collected over some time from different sources to create dashboards, reports, and documentation. BA focuses on the implementation of data insights into actionable steps. Business intelligence focuses on descriptive analytics. Business analytics focuses on predictive analytics. Business intelligence focuses on diagnostic analytics. Business analytics focuses on prescriptive analytics. Both BI and BA focus on presenting and organizing data for visualization. Both BI and BA focus on presenting and organizing data for visualization. Deals with what happened. Deals with whys of what happened. 7. Business analytics tools. To successfully extract data from records, certain business analytics tools are used in this contemporary international. The gear utilized by business analysts includes a selection of utility software that captures quantitative and qualitative data from distinctive enterprise structures and incorporates it into a repository. In that manner, analysts can evaluate and analyze the facts to permit smarter selection making. 10. Most organizations set up a mix of enterprise analytics software, such as statistical equipment, predictive modeling, and information mining gear. Those software program packages for enterprise analytics provide businesses with a holistic evaluation of key insights that improve performance, productivity, and profitability. 1. SAS Business Analytics. The SAS-based business analytics is a pinnacle within the category. It lets customers convert and inspect unorganized text information. It transforms uncooked facts into applicable information, hence, supporting the analysts to find out insights. The SAS-based business analytics is packed with quite a few statistical tools. The platform assists in predicting future trends from records framed. 2. TIBCO Spotfire Business Analytics. TIBCO Spotfire is one of the most advanced business analytics. It's far specially designed for statistics experts. It gives effective and robotic analytics solutions. It permits the customers to run business analytics reviews for a defined length. TIBCO has the subsequent capabilities: scalability capability, statistical analysis capabilities, capacity to analyze text based on structured data. 3. Dundas Business Analytics. Dundas Business Analytics is a geared-up device. It gives top-notch analytics and business intelligence solutions using the R programming language. Dundas affords robotic and systemized analytics. It assists trend forecasting and a high-level dashboard. It helps the users to visualize statistics and create business analytics reviews. One of the full-size features of Dundas is its smooth-to-use drag-and-drop function. 4. ClickView Business Analytics. ClickView is the most preferred tool for business analytics. It consists of a variety of unique features. For example, patented technology, in-memory processing, and enabling the delivery of superfast business analytics reports. The platform allows users to envisage data relationships using specific color techniques. It maintains data association and compresses non-relevant data with 10% of its native size. 5. Tableau Big Data Business Analytics. Tableau Business Analytics has dynamic and cutting-edge capabilities. The platform is highly beneficial for unstructured data analysis. It includes the following features: reliable statistical tools, in-depth analysis of social media networks. 8. Some companies using BA. Numerous groups are presently using BA to ensure profitability, aligning themselves with the modern-day trends around the world, to make sure that the customers are glad about the goods that the corporation presents. They're increasingly tapping into actual-time analytics to respond quickly to customers and supply a selection of services to them. 1. Amazon. Amazon is a well-known e-commerce platform. They store every single piece of information related to their customer as a means of figuring out how customers are spending or planning to spend their money on an individual product based on needs or requirements. All this information is being collected to use in social media advertising algorithms that can be further used to expand customer relations, recommend products, improve customer experience and services, etc. 11. 2. Apple. We all know that Apple is an expert in using advanced technology. So, they are using big data technologies, and now they become involved in big data analytics, with the technology driving their plenty of decisions. The data collected by them is used by the company to consider the best approach towards consumers with its new products and services. By using big data, Apple can find how people are using apps in real life and change future designs to fit with customer preferences. 12. 3. Google. Google uses large records to apprehend what we need from it, primarily based on several parameters which include seeking history, places, tendencies, and many more. After that, it is going through a set of rules in which complicated estimations are achieved, and afterward Google without problems indicates the organized or placed listed lists as some distance as significance and authority meant to coordinate the customer's prerequisite. Google without problems indicates the rank seek outcomes in terms of relevance and authority formulated to suit the user's requirement. 12. 9. Discussion and conclusion. Business analytics is a part of data science that uses predictive models, big data, machine learning, etc. to determine how trends or insights can be profitable to businesses. The business analytics field is supposed to grow in the near future as more companies will be looking forward to utilizing data to develop products and provide services as per the requirements and needs of the customer. Business analytics will also be one of the fastest growing job-giving opportunities, and it will serve to eliminate any unemployment vacuum present in the market.